everyone. I hope you all are fine and doing well in your studies. Dear students, as you know that we have started our chapter Oscillations and Wave. In first topic, we have studied the difference between periodic motion and oscillatory motion, and we have proved that all oscillatory motions are periodic but all periodic motions are not oscillatory. Okay, so dear students, now same topic we want to continue with a different term called as SHM. Students, the meaning of SHM is simple harmonic motion, and it is an oscillatory motion. So you can write that simple harmonic motion is the motion in which particles moves to and fro about fixed point, and that fixed point we have given name mean position. Dear students, if you remember, we have differentiated between periodic motion and oscillatory motion on the basis of this factor only, that periodic motion may be to and fro as well as it may be circular motion, but oscillatory motion is always to and fro motion. Okay, so today we are going to study about this to and fro motion, and we have given it name SHM, means simple harmonic motion. Dear students, this simple harmonic motion is a projection of uniform circular motion. Projection means in one of its quadrant you can show the simple harmonic motion. So let us see. You can see the diagram on the left side of this board, and we have taken here one particle which is moving in this circular path. But we have not included a whole circle in our topic, but I have taken one quadrant. That let us suppose at any time this P is the position of the particle and it is making angle theta, means angular velocity is omega and its angular displacement is theta. So you know that angular displacement upon time is equal to angular velocity. From there you can calculate that angular displacement is equal to angular velocity multiplied by a time. Okay, so you will get theta is equal to omega t. Once again I am telling you, here omega is your angular velocity, and angular velocity expression is 2 pi upon t. This pi value you know from lower standards, it is 22 upon 7. Okay, dear students, this is about your omega, and now next is your characteristics of SHM. Characteristics of SHM means we will calculate expressions for its displacement, velocity and acceleration. So three expressions we are going to derive right now, which are very important. Okay, so please pay attention. First is your displacement. Dear students, from diagram, from this figure you can see that the particle P is in first quadrant of circular motion. Okay, and where the radius of circular motion is small r and its displacement from mean position, central position को हम क्या नाम देते हैं, mean position, and these are the extreme positions. Okay, so this is your mean position. Dear students, displacement is y, radius is r. If I will take this small triangle OQP, so you can see that OQ upon OP is sine of theta, means sine of omega t. Why? Because OQ is here perpendicular and OP is here hypotenuse. You have studied in 10th standard by following the rule like Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bhole. That means your Pandit upon Har is your sine omega t. So this is perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sine omega t. Okay, so OQ value is y and OP value is r sine omega t. So what is the value of y, students? It is r sine omega t, and y was our displacement. That's why this is equation number 1, and it is expression for displacement. Okay. Second is velocity. So dear students, velocity is a rate of change of displacement. Rate of change of displacement is called as velocity. Okay. So velocity I can write dy upon dt. dt as it is, y की जगह पे इसकी वैल्यू भर दो r sin omega t. Okay. So it is r ddt of sin omega t. R I have taken outside. R differentiation of sin omega t is cos omega t dot. Again omega t is a function of time. So differentiation of omega t is omega. So dear students, this thing you need to keep in mind here, that r cos omega differentiation of sin omega t is cos omega t dot omega. Dot means multiply. So this omega will come in front and we will get one expression for velocity, that is r omega cos omega t. Now this is your choice. If you want to keep it up to here, you can keep it up to here, but for simplifying, for 1 mark questions, we need to proceed further. Okay. So here the value of cos omega t, this you can calculate students by using identity you have studied in your 10th standard, that sin omega t plus, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. By using this identity, you can calculate the value of cos theta. As I have done here, you can see sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. That means your cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, and cos theta will be under root 1 minus sin square theta. So students, instead of theta, here it is omega t simply. Okay, so nothing is there. You can do it very simply. Just write at home sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, and cos theta is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, so now this r I will take inside. Students, when square is coming outside, it is coming a single quantity. Like if r square would be inside under root, when it will come outside, it will come as a single quantity r. Okay, but if r is going inside, then it will become square. So whenever r is going inside, r square minus r square sin square omega t, r square से दोनों terms को multiply हो जाएगा. Okay, now r square minus r sin omega t whole square. Dear students, what is this r sin omega t? Just see from equation 1, r sin omega t is y. Okay, so it is y. Acceleration, it is the rate of change of velocity. Acceleration is rate of change of velocity. So acceleration dv upon dt. ddt of v value will take from here r omega cos omega t. R omega we will bring outside, ddt of cos omega t. Students, differentiation of sin omega t we have done here. It was cos omega t dot omega. It is sin omega t dot omega, but with negative sign. So this negative sign will come in front, omega will come in front. So it is minus r omega square sin theta. R will come in front, then minus omega square r sin omega t. And r sin omega t is again y. So we are getting acceleration is equal to minus omega square y. Now students, very important conclusions you can draw from these two equations. So those conclusions I will send you separately. So this is enough for today. Thank you. Have a good day.